Do you like eating gourmet while you're out on your special van trip? Well, my husband and I sure do. And that's why this week we're going to outline our top 5 appliances in this week's Squatch Dog Adventures. You know, just because you're on the road doesn't mean you have to give up great food. And who wants to stop at a fast food restaurant every meal? I certainly don't. We love cooking great food while we're on the road. And that's why we're going to outline for you our top 5 appliances. Like number 5, my AMZChef Slim Induction Cooktop. An induction cooktop comes with a Winnebago Revel. It's stored in this drawer underneath the kitchen sink. But as you can see, I'd rather use this space to store kitchen utensils. I wanted to store it underneath the seat bench behind the driver's seat, but it was too thick. So I found this thinner cooktop that fits perfectly. Problem was the counter extender for the kitchen counter was stored underneath that seat bench. So I had to find a new home for that. I found these heavy-duty magnets that I screwed into the back of the counter extender and the counter magnets onto the side of the kitchen island. And voila, I can conveniently store it there. Induction cooktops need magnetic cookware in order to work. I found these fabulous stacking pans from Magma. They are amazing. As you can see, they stack well, taking very little space. Number 4 on our list are these handy-dandy miniature griddle and waffle irons by Dash. I've made all sorts of delicious things in these cute little cooking irons. I've made everything from cookies to brownies to waffles to pancakes to omelets. And here I'm making a bacon, egg, and cheese waffle sandwich. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That looks great.
Number 3 on our list is our propane fire pit. We found a cast iron griddle and a lid. We're now able to cook everything from pizzas to steaks to chicken to these smash burgers. Smash burgers. Do you like it?
Home run. Good job, girl.
It's a home run?
Yeah.
All right. Number 2 on our list is the Instant Pot. We love the Instant Pot because it makes delicious one-pot meals. No muss, no fuss, like this yummy beef stroganoff. Can't wait to dig into this. Now for number 1 on our list, our coffee Aeropress and our collapsible electric kettle by Ludi2. Both take little space in our van, and the coffee is exceptional as it's a cross between a pour-over coffee and a French press. The best thing about all these appliances is they all fit in one cabinet, except for the fire pit, of course. We even have room for a toaster. We'd love to hear what your favorite appliances are. You can leave them in the comments section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us. In the meantime, happy trails.